There are few different ways to bring the content from Adobe's editing application Adobe Premiere to Audition. It totally depends on what kind of work you want to do. In this video, I am going to give you a quick overview of these methods and when to use them. The first method of accessing the Premiere content is by opening it directly inside Audition. So just by going to File menu and click Open, then you will have to go to your course exercise files and then go to Importing Media Files and open Premiere folder. Then select this project file and click on Open. This will transfer over all your effect settings, volume keyframes and all essential sound panel settings. But most importantly, this will be going to link with your original media. And it will be a good thing if you are using same computer or have access to these files which you used in your Premiere project. It can only become an issue if you decide to work on these audio files in waveform editor where the changes are permanent and can't be undone after the file is closed. For example, I often open my audio files to apply noise reduction effect which can only be applied in waveform editor. So after applying the noise reduction effect, if I save it and close it, that will be a permanent change and I will not be able to revert my file back to its original audio. Although there is a workaround for this. Let's go back to multitrack editor. So if you want to apply the effect on the copy of any audio file but not the original file, then what you have to do is, for example, I want to apply the effect on this audio file, but I don't want the original file to be affected. I want to apply my effect on the copy of this audio file. For this, I will select this file, then I will go to Clip menu and click on Convert to Unique Copy. Now, I will be able to work on the copy of this file, not the original file. But if I want to convert all my original files into a copy, then I can do it from Premiere directly, not Audition. So I will switch to Premiere where I have opened the same sequence and select it. Now I will go to Edit menu, Edit in Adobe Audition. Then I will click on Sequence. Then this dialog box will appear, which will create trimmed copies of those audio clips which are used in this timeline. We can also transfer our audio effects and volume keyframes if these options are enabled. Otherwise, this will be done automatically if you import your sequence directly in Adobe Audition. Now suppose if you want to work on a single audio clip in Adobe Audition, for that you have to go to your sequence, then select the audio clip which you want to work on. Then go to Edit menu and then go to Edit in Adobe Audition and click on Clip. That will create a separate copy of your original audio file and then you will be work on the copy of that audio file in Adobe Audition. So those are a few ways of accessing Premiere content in Adobe Audition. Now the important thing to keep in mind that if you don't want to connect with the original project in Adobe Premiere, you can open it directly in Adobe Audition. Otherwise, that will be a safer option to export these clips from Adobe Premiere and make a separate copy of these audio clips, or if you want to work on a single clip, you can just export any single clip from Adobe Premiere and make a separate copy of it and then work on it.